Hi everyone, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can see the poster size that you create on Canva. So in here, I've already opened the Canva apps on my computer and I'm going to just open up a poster templates from Canva. Okay, let's wait until the template is show up. Okay, so for example in here, I'm going to use okay, this poster here. Click on the poster and click on customize the template. So by default you can see the size in here, but if you already click on the customize template options and you don't see the size before, here I'm going to show you how to find out the size. So to see the size of the poster, you can just click on the resize and magic switch option. Here, click on resize. Sorry, not the resize button, but this file. And in here, you can see this is the explanation about the poster. So the size is 29.7 centimeter times 42 centimeter. Okay, so that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, click on the thanks. Bye.